Thank you for checking out our troubleshooting video of if your fonts are looking different than the example. This is a simple solution that will resolve your problem in no time. All you have to do is be sure you're opening the file in Adobe Reader DC. If you haven't already updated your Adobe Reader, you will want to do that first by going to get.adobe.com/reader and click the Install Now button. Once your Adobe Reader DC is updated, you will want to open the program first, then select File, Open, and open your PDF. I recommend not double-clicking the PDF to open it. This could cause the PDF to open in a web browser or another program like Preview. Once you have made your changes to the PDF in Adobe Reader DC, you can select File, Save As, and save your PDF. To see more of our instant download editable items, go to creativeuniondesign.com or follow us on Instagram at Creative Union Design. Thank you for watching and have fun designing.